Hello guys, welcome to my video. Okay, today I want to make video tutorial makeup glowing simple. Happy watching. Okay, first I want to show to you about all of my product. There is foundation, compact powder, and Focalure, eyeshadow, and eyebrow, and mascara, and lipstick. Okay, first I use Wardah foundation BB cream SPF 30 number 1. This is light. Okay, I can apply to all of my face. Number 1 for skin white. This is so very light. Okay, next I use Wardah compact powder number 2. This is light too, yeah, light to all of my face. We can tap. Okay, next I use blush on from Focalure with the highlighter. This is the color is peach. I will apply with brush. Okay, next I use eyebrow from Maybelline. Just a little because I enough there is eyebrow. Next, I will use the eyeshadow from Umbra by Jasmine. The color of cream, same as my hijab. This is make your eyes real. Okay, next I will use mascara from Maybelline. Okay, before use the mascara, I will pinch my eyelash. That make you easy to apply mascara if you pinch the eyelash. Okay, after that I use lipstick from Wardah number 2. This is nude, long lasting. And after that I will ombre with Wardah lip cream number 1. Okay, the last, this is make my face glowing with Focallure highlighter. This is the color of rose. This is silver. I will use first. Your mouth. In your chin. And in your cheek. Okay guys, this is, and after this I want to make my hijab simple. Okay guys, this is my tutorial makeup glowing simple. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.